Hey now, welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction and Sublet. We're the best Quailridge dealer in the United States. That's right. Anyhow, this is a 2019 Quailridge, and it's called a 39FLSK, but it's loaded with features, and it is actually a very special unit. It's got a great big shower in it, and I'll have to show it to you. I can't describe it accurately. You have grids in all the windows. This is sandalwood with white trim and white lineals. You've got LED lighting under the eaves. Heading on inside, we're going to pass through the 6-foot vinyl patio door, and then we're going to start to see some neat stuff. MSRP on this one is $65,000 and some change. They just developed this model last year, so it's relatively new. A lot of features you'll find in here are not available in the other trailers. You've got a wet bar, which is kind of cool. You can put an optional wine sink in there if you like. This has stainless appliances with the convection microwave. We got 4 stools. Seating. There's really no limit on the size TV you could actually fit in here. This has the beautiful plank wood flooring throughout the entire main floor. Several features common to all my Quailridges. Everything in them stays in them. You got a sleeper sofa. This is a queen sleeper sofa. You get a Mastercraft rocker recliner. A big entertainment center. You could fit 60-inch, 75-inch, whatever it is you want to put on there is going to fit. A couple of the lights not installed yet. Ceiling fan in the main area. Okay, walking through the kitchen, we're going to show you the master bathroom. And I don't have much light in here, but we got some light coming in through the window, so you're going to get a good look at this bathroom, and it is neat. So you've got a modern sink. You've got a medicine cabinet over the commode. Couple racks to store towels in, and a great big walk-in shower with dual shower heads. Got a rain head and a handheld. Shower is really large. You could probably throw a party in there. So heading back out into the hallway, you got a couple nice hall closets. You're always needing a place to store your vacuum, store your pantry items. This one has a big double loft. We'll go up there in a minute. Let's look at the master bedroom first. You got queen bed, end table and lamp. You've got your signature Quailridge his and hers wardrobe. 8 drawers and 4 doors. You got mini blinds on all the windows, of course, and mostly LED lighting nowadays. So let's go look at the double loft up here. You got a smaller loft off to the left here, probably about the size of a queen air mattress, and then a little bit bigger here in the rear. I'd call this maybe king sized area with the optional entertainment center, and it also has the optional helper air conditioner. They don't actually need them, but you know, sometimes if you have a little extra air upstairs and somebody's sleeping up here, they'll like it. Okay, head on down the stairs and out the door. I could probably call this my HGTV unit, but we always call it the one with the fancy bathroom, because it's fancy. If you like your bathroom, look no further, because this is the one for you. Nice big open floor plan, very bright. Wired for surround sound. Wet bar. What more could you ask for? Well, onward to my next trailer.